What role does leadership play in driving diversity and inclusion from the top down?
Well, I think diversity and inclusion, the way it has looked, and the perspective of DNI in India has to be studied by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. I think from the first cabinet, the number of women that have represented the 50% women in India who are aspiring for India to be the next superpower, I think the representation have been fantastic. But coming back to your question, in general, if the leadership has to really understand inclusive growth, the entire team has to be focused on diversity and inclusion. In this diversity, I think we talk about gender inclusion, we talk about inclusions of various kinds. But one thing that we occasionally forget is of the Divyangs, right? It is the handicap that needs inclusion at a very primary level and because I've come here for a technology conference, I think with the help of technology and media platforms like you, this can be driven to the top of the agenda for not only nations but also for corporations. And I think, good you asked these questions. I firmly believe that DNI is a leadership context, but it has to be driven through technology and ensured that when we talk of inclusion, we include not only gender but also regions, religions, people, and as I rightly said, the handicapped people who need the help most.
Yeah. A few words about Team Marksman.
Ah, interesting. I just asked you what Marksmen stands for, and I realized that these are a group of men who are trying to make a mark. But trust me, with 40% women as their workforce, I firmly believe that their DNI is really hit on the bullseye. So I think all the best to the marksmen because they're all set to roar because women are the future. And looks like they have women power in the marksmen.
Yeah.